Welcome to Cosmic Compass, the channel where we explore the stories, the science, and the mysteries of the universe. Together, we'll journey across planets, stars, and galaxies, uncovering how the cosmos works and what secrets still remain hidden. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond, you're in the right place. Let's set our course and begin. When we were young, many of us learned a simple phrase to remember the planets of the solar system. My very educated mother just showed us 9 planets. It worked well: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. But as we know, in 2006, Pluto was demoted to the status of a dwarf planet. Suddenly, our very educated mother could only show us 8. But what if there really is a 9th planet, one not yet seen, a world perhaps 5 times the size of Earth, drifting silently in the furthest reaches of our solar system? If that is true, then maybe the old mnemonic still holds a secret truth. Today on Cosmic Compass, let's explore the intriguing evidence for this mysterious world, often called Planet 9 or Planet X. Some scientists argue with near certainty that it exists, while others insist it's nothing but illusion. Together we'll uncover the science, the history, and the ongoing search for one of the greatest mysteries in modern astronomy. Discovering planets has never been straightforward. If you look up at the night sky, what you see are points of light stars that shine steadily. Planets look almost the same. Without careful observation, they blend in perfectly, and yet thousands of years ago, Babylonian astronomers charted the heavens with painstaking dedication. By mapping the night sky over decades, they noticed that certain lights moved against the backdrop of stars. These wanderers, as they called them, were the planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, all visible to the naked eye. But Uranus and Neptune, they were too faint, too far away for ancient eyes. Their discoveries had to wait until humanity developed new tools. In 1781, an amateur astronomer named William Herschel, working with a homemade telescope in his garden in England, spotted what he thought was a comet. Over time, it became clear this object was different. It lacked a comet's tail, and its motion suggested a planet. What Herschel had stumbled upon was Uranus, the first planet discovered in modern history. Interestingly, Uranus had been recorded before in ancient star charts, but always mistaken for a star. It took a telescope to reveal its true identity. This marked a turning point, discovery through technology, not just human eyesight. The discovery of Neptune took this even further. After Uranus was observed for decades, astronomers noticed its orbit did not perfectly match the predictions of Newton's laws. Something unseen seemed to tug at it. A French mathematician, Urbain Le Verrier, made precise calculations. He proposed there had to be another planet exerting gravitational influence. He even predicted where it should be in the sky. When Johann Galle pointed his telescope to the coordinates there, it was Neptune within a single degree of Le Verrier's predictions. For the first time in history, a planet had been discovered not by sight but by mathematics. Numbers on paper had revealed a world. This was revolutionary, and it set the stage for the search for another hidden planet. At the start of the 20th century, astronomer Percival Lowell became convinced there was still more to find. He believed Neptune's existence did not fully explain the irregularities observed in the outer planets. He proposed yet another world, a hidden giant he called Planet X. Lowell dedicated years of his life to this quest, building observatories and leaving behind a fortune to fund the search. His passion eventually led to the discovery of Pluto in 1930, though Pluto turned out to be far too small to account for the gravitational effects Lowell had predicted. Planet X remained elusive, but the idea never disappeared. Fast forward to 2016. Astronomers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin announced something extraordinary. While studying the Kuiper Belt, the vast region of icy bodies beyond Neptune, they noticed that 14 objects had strangely aligned orbits. This unusual clustering, they argued, could be explained by the gravitational pull of an unseen planet. Their calculations suggested a world at least 5 times the mass of Earth, orbiting between 300 and 520 astronomical units from the Sun. For comparison, Neptune lies at just 30 AU. This means Planet 9 would take up to 10,000 years to complete a single orbit. From its surface, the Sun would shine only as brightly as the Moon does for us. Brown and Batijan estimated the probability of Planet 9's existence at 99.6%. If true, it would be a monumental discovery, a hidden giant lurking at the edge of our solar system. But not everyone agrees. In 2020, 2 major surveys, the Outer Solar System Origin Survey and the Dark Energy Survey, charted over 1,000 Kuiper Belt objects. They found no unusual clustering. For many astronomers, this weakened the case for Planet 9. Perhaps the apparent alignment of the 14 objects was just an observational bias, a trick of limited data. Or maybe their orbits were shaped by other influences like Neptune itself billions of years ago. And the biggest question remains, if Planet 9 exists, why haven't we seen it? With modern telescopes and massive sky surveys, surely such a large planet should have revealed itself. The fact that it hasn't makes some scientists wonder if we are chasing shadows. Yet the search continues. Astronomers are using the powerful Subaru telescope in Hawaii, capable of probing deep into the darkness where Planet 9 may hide. Citizen science projects such as those on Zooniverse invite ordinary people to scan astronomical images. Even amateurs can contribute, and sometimes they make remarkable discoveries. Imagine this Planet 9 could already be captured in a photograph, misidentified as just another faint star. With its enormous orbit, it might take years to notice that one point of light is drifting slowly across the heavens. Perhaps it's out there waiting for someone, maybe even you, to spot it. If Planet 9 exists, it would be a cold and lonely world, a frozen giant where the sun appears as a pale spark in the sky. Its discovery would reshape our understanding of the solar system, just as Uranus and Neptune once did. But if it doesn't exist, the search itself is still valuable. Every observation, every survey expands our knowledge of the cosmos. Sometimes the journey toward discovery is as important as the destination. So will Planet 9 ever reveal itself? Perhaps in the next few years, perhaps never. But history reminds us that new worlds have often been found when least expected, sometimes by mathematicians, sometimes by stargazers in their backyards. Who knows? The next great discovery may not come from professional astronomers at all, but from someone like us, curious and persistent, scanning the sky one image at a time. And that's the wonder of astronomy. The universe always leaves us with mysteries to chase. Let's keep looking upward, because the next planet may already be out there waiting for us to find it. That brings us to the end of today's journey. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of unanswered questions, and each time we search, we take one step closer to understanding our place in it. If you enjoyed exploring with us, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with others who are curious about the cosmos. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, and let Cosmic Compass be your guide through the wonders of space.